You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. I know they may look like they could be pronounced the same way. They have a very different meaning, and they do have different pronunciations indeed. So let's go through. The top word is pronounced as Pear. Pear. Look with difficulty, to look with difficulty, to look at something. Pear. It's also peer pressure. Your peer. Now the bottom word is pronounced as pear, and that's the fruit. You got apples and pears. Pear. So top word is pear, pear, pear. So British English is going to be pear, pear, or pear, the Americans would say. That's your top word here, pear. Bottom word, pear, pear, pear. It starts with a pe, not a p, a pe, okay? So top word, pear. Bottom word, pear. Can you hear the difference? Pear, pear. Can you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce those correctly now? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.